Good evening, everyone. Back. Welcome back with the puzzle page and the additional. Not in today's newspaper of Monday. No. Today it's actually Monday, June the 5th, 2023. I've told you earlier. In today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. This is the puzzle page of the weekend edition. Yeah. Weekend edition, Saturday, June the 3rd, 2023. We have here two puzzles left. The Sudoku with, it's indicated with 3 stars, but it's actually a 1 star. It has 27 printed digits. And we have a binary puzzle. Yeah. 10 by 10. And later on, I will do the additional. We have here the additional, same newspaper. Of Saturday, June 3rd, 2023. Here we have 3 puzzles left. The letter Sudoku with 0 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. Let me solve the first one. Yeah, the first one is a Sudoku with 3 stars. Well, actually it's a 1 star because it has 27 printed digits. And this one will be number 6542. 6542. And it's indicated with 3 stars, but I think it's a 1 star. And for a 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really 1 star or 3 stars. I think a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Well. How about the number? Let me see. 5. The one in the 3rd row, the one in the 1st row, so the row between the 2nd row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 4, 6. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. It should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. Alright. Okay, so we have a wait. 3, 9, 5. We have a 5 in the 3rd row, 5 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there, 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 7. How about the 1 in this column, the 1 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 1, it should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 7 in the last row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the 1st column, 7 in the 3rd column. So the column between the 2nd column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, alright. 7 in this column. We need a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the 3rd row, so no 7 in this box. Here can be 7 because we have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. Here can be a 7 because we have a 7 in that row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 in this column should be there. So one digit left in this big square for number 8. Alright. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the most one. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle rows, and row above. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2, 2, okay. And now, 6, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. Then 7 and 9, 2 and 4. Well, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 2, 2. Alright. Need a 4 here. We have a pair, 4 and a 6 in this row, 4 and a 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. So now we have a pair in this column, 4 and a 6. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this row, the middle row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1, sorry, again. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5, no, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Okay, the 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. The 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. Second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this last row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 9. Alright. So we have a 7 in this row, first row, 7 in the third row. So row between the second row, there are only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 7. Alright. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 2, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 and the 6, we have a 4 now in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 and the 6, we have a 4 now in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 1 box left in this column, third column for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well. Told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes. Definitely a 1 star. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. I binary puzzle 10 by 10 in the puzzle page. Until then, bye bye for now.